Jai Shri Krishna everyone, હું છું રેખા પાટીલ, તમારી Femina Miss India 2024 first runner.
And
What brought me here is Femina Miss India coming up with Femina Miss India Gujarat 2025, and we have outsourced the license to NAEMD, India's one of the largest event management institute, and I'm here for the press.
yeah, that was the preparation you made it. And was this a goal you proved it?
So it was a goal growing up always. Like I think every girl, हमारी मम्मियाँ जो होती हैं
हाँ.
वो ये इंस्टिल कर देती है हम पे कि यार मिस इंडिया
होना चाहिए.
मिस इंडिया कोई चीज़ है एंड तब से आपके दिमाग पे चढ़ जाता है. वैसे ही मम्मी ने भी बोला और मैंने आर्टिकल भी पढ़ा एंड इट बिकेम अ गोल एंड स्लोली स्टेडली एवरी स्टेप ऑफ लाइफ सब कर रही थी बट साथ साथ में इसको भी थोड़ा सा टाइम निकाल के दे रही हूँ. आई थिंक विच इज़ paved it at the end and yeah, that is how my journey was.
How you felt when the crown was on your head?
Oh man, it's a special feeling. It just feels like every hard work, every cry, every fight, और तो मुझे ज़्यादा लड़ना पड़ता है. So all of that, every fight, just all of that just flashed right in front of my eyes and I just felt like I need it. Like it was one of my dreams and it's true now. I am missing it.
So what special preparation you had to do for the grooming and
Inherently, because मैं 10 साल में मिस इंडिया बनना चाहती हूँ. बार बार वो पॉलिटिक्स लिखना, वो देखना क्या होता है, वो समझना. All of that naturally brought on all the politics that Miss India should have. But apart from that, of course, I went to a grooming school, which, in case of Femina Miss India Gujarat 2025, is provided by NAEMD for absolutely free. You have to just pay the registration fees and post audition if you get selected. आपका grooming free भी होने वाला है, which is in a way providing the platform to lot many other girls who can't really afford it, but सपना फिर भी है. So did my grooming and polished myself a little from that, and yeah, post that I have to
so
audition in.
who inspired you for this?
Oh, my inspiration is Priyanka Chopra.
Uh-huh.
I was reading an article after her song came up when I was 10 years old and उनकी पूरी जर्नी लिखी हुई थी न्यूज़पेपर में. तो मैंने मेरे दिमाग में रह गया कि यार शी स्टार्टेड व्हेन शी बिकेम मिस इंडिया.
That's right.
तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म शायद मेरे लिए भी है. मेरे भी सपने बहुत बड़े हैं और आई थिंक दिस कैन बी अ गुड किक स्टार्ट फॉर मी. तब नाइफ थी, तब पता नहीं था, बस पता था कि यार सुंदर दिखना होता है, अच्छे से बाल होने चाहिए. But like slowly, steadily, you realize that there is a bigger purpose to it, and there's a bigger purpose that you have to serve. So yes, that was my journey.
So what's your message to the Gujarat headline women? The women are there.
Gujarati women, I would like to tell you all that you all got it. I think all the people in Gujarati are natural communicators. They can communicate really well, and you have that spirit. प्लीज़ आइए, ऑडिशन करिए. अगर आपका ये सपना था या आपका आगे कोई भी सपना है, हम हमेशा पैशन को एसोसिएट करते हैं कि आप सिर्फ फिल्मों में या फिर आप मीडिया इंडस्ट्री में अच्छा कर पाएंगे. बट आई थिंक मिस इंडिया एज अ प्लेटफॉर्म, बहुत सारी हमारी पुरानी मिस इंडिया बिजनेस चला रही है.
Yeah.
गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स में अच्छा है.
That's right.
It as a platform provides you with an exposure to travel, to meet people, to network, and all of that together will help you grow so much. तो प्लीज़ आइए, ऑडिशन करिए एंड आगे बढ़िए. The sleeping count. I love listening to music. I love listening to vinyl records. Apart from that, I've recently started reading book. मैं बाहर जाना, घूमना और एक्सपीरियंस करके चीज़ें सीखना ज़्यादा पसंद करती हूँ than reading books. But recently I've gotten into reading also.
Right.
So and maybe watching movies. Because I'm
Yeah.
streamlining my things this way.
That's right.
So that included.
Okay, thank you. Talking with Gujarati. Thanks.